Did you know that breast cancer can sometimes be detected by dogs? Yes, our furry friends have an incredible sense of smell that can sniff out cancerous cells. In fact, studies have shown that dogs can detect breast cancer with an accuracy rate of up to 98%. This is because cancerous cells release specific volatile organic compounds that dogs can identify. Imagine your pet being a part of your health checkup routine. This quirky fact highlights the amazing bond between humans and dogs and how they can help us in unexpected ways. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.